Morning everybody, welcome to a very, very snowy, white Czech Republic. Today I'm walking up a mountain, yes, myself and Coco, obviously, because Coco is pulling me up the mountain with his four-wheel drive. Our plan is to get to the top of the mountain. And then, as you can see on my back, I've got my skis and ski back down, which should be interesting because obviously Coco is going to be running all over the place while I'm skiing, and I'm contemplating taking him off the lead and letting him come down himself. So, not quite sure how long this is going to take. I'm literally, I don't know, 30 minutes from my house at the moment. Yeah, 30 minutes. And if we look round slowly, if Coco stops pulling me, you can see we've had a fair old dumping of snow. And I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but this hill we're climbing is actually quite steep. So what are you doing today? Leave me a message in the comments below and tell me what you're up to. I'm going to get more footage hopefully when we, well, halfway up there, and then we'll probably have a coffee on the top, but then after that it's a ski back down. So here we go, onwards and upwards. So, obviously, I'm blowing out my arse, but obviously the higher you get, the deeper the snow's getting. So at the moment it's up to my knees. Yeah. As you can see, we've actually gone up quite a high elevation right now. Okay. But Coco's doing a storming job, aren't you, Coco? Hey? Oi? You're doing a really good job, aren't you? Yeah, pulling me up the hill. Normally when we go for a walk, I'm trying to train him to stop pulling me. But believe me, him pulling me now is a godsend. Amazing. There's a little, just over there in the trees, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little hut. Now obviously somebody's staying there. There's the dogs barking, but how the hell they're getting up there, I have no idea. There's no roads up here at all. Anyway, we're going to keep going up in that direction. Good boy. Good boy, where are we going? Go on, Coco. Wrong way, up. Good lad. Go on, up. Go on. Good boy. Keep going. Wow. Where are you going? I don't want to go that way. You want to go up? Up. Come on then. Go on, Coco. Coco, the rescue dog. Well, folks, we've made it to the top of the hill. There's the end of the chairlift. Coco's having a bit of a run around. Yeah, taking you this way. Taking you this way. Yeah, stunning. Little village down there at the bottom. And as far as the eye can see, there's snow everywhere. Okay, so achieve my aim. Coco. Here you go, then. Coco's found a friend.
Coconut. To je dobře, on poběží za ním dolů pak.
No. Here, Coco, you got a friend? Yeah? No? You tired now? Don't have any? Okay guys, so eventually after about half an hour I managed to get my ski boots on. Have you ever tried putting ski boots on when they're freezing cold? A bit of a task. So I just want to, at the moment, I just want to show you the equipment I'm using for getting up the mountain, okay, and obviously going back down the mountain. So for coming up, I've actually been using my Ortholite boots, waterproof boots, okay, and on the bottom of there, I've got my flexible spikes, okay, which are really, really good for stopping all those slippy moments. Okay, then when you're walking up a hill, I mean, okay, you can wear snowshoes, but it's, to be honest, it's not deep enough for snowshoes. But the spikes just help you that little bit more, just grip into the snow, okay, and help you up the mountain, as well as the dog, obviously, as well as Coco pulling me up there, okay. And for going down, well, I've got my old ski boots on, okay. These are Quencher ski boots that I've had. Wow, I must have had them since, let me think. When did I move back to Spain? Because I got these the first year I moved back to Spain. So that would have been, let me think, 2008? So I've had these since 2008 and I bought them in Decathlon and never let me down. And then there's my skis. My skis are they were called Blades back in the day. Again, got them from Decathlon at the same time as I got my boots, 2008. Okay, these skis have literally been all over the world. They've been to America, they've been to, I don't know, Andorra, Spain, obviously here, Czech Republic, Germany, you know. I've been skiing on these, like I said, since 2008. Okay, they even spent a time with my mate Nick Duncan back in Spain. My blades, he loves my blades. So shout out to Nick Duncan there. But yeah, this is the equipment I'm using for going back down. So what I'm going to do now is stick my boots and the ski bag back in my backpack. Okay, and I'm going to attempt to ski down the mountain with Coco. Now this is a first. Okay, let's see what happens. It's gonna end okay, or it's gonna end in tears. One way or another, we're gonna get it done. So I'm gonna get my skis on now. The way these skis work is basically they've got a clip on the front and a clip on the back. So I put my foot on there. Hopefully you can see this. Grab the string at the back. This is the binding. Okay. Pull the binding on. Make sure it's in place. And then you take the toe strap. It's hard doing this with one hand, actually. Yeah, the binding's not on at the back properly. Wait a minute. There we go. Yeah, make sure your boot's in the middle. Put that over the toe. Okay, and clip it in there. And that's it. The ski's on, basically. And then you take the binding. The binding's got a clip on it. And you wrap that around your leg. I can't do that with one hand. So I'm going to have to shut you off, but basically that's it. So I'm going to get myself kitted up here, get my boots and everything back in the bag. Okay, and me and Lado are going to head off in that direction. I'll catch you in a sec. Come on, Coco. Yeah, Coco. Yeah, it's proving a bit too deep for my skis, this. But we'll see. Come on. Careful, careful, careful. Coco, stop. Go on then. Go on then. You have to go, mate. You have to go that way. Down the hill. Go on then. Nay, Coco, you're going to hurt your feet. You keep standing in front of my skis, which is a bit of a problem. Okay? You okay? Yeah? Look at him, he's having loads of fun in the snow, he is. Yeah? Well, at least finally I've got my skis on. I mean, obviously all the ski slopes are closed. The chairlifts, should I say, are closed in the Czech Republic. So at least I've got a chance of getting some skis on and having a play. I have to be careful because Coco keeps running in front of the skis. Hey, what are you doing? Coco, Coco, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, it's these blades that I've got are not really good for thick powder snow, and it's all powder up here because obviously the ski slope's not been gated. It's not been pushed down. Yeah, so when the cat comes up and it crushes all the snow to make it easy to ski. So look at the state of him. Yeah, you look like a cake with flour on it, don't you? Hey, Nate, you can't be jumping on me because I'm skiing. Come here. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I can't really go too fast because Lado there, oh hang on a minute, I can get some speed up here. There we go. Hey Cookie! Hey Cookie! Hey, managed to get a bit of speed up there. I'm just worried about him jumping in front of the skis because he's going crazy at the moment. Go on then! Cookie! Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah? Come on then. Whoa. It's a good job I can stop. So this is the first time on my skis since last year, I believe. Yeah, last year. But I didn't really get much in last year because there wasn't a lot of snow. Yeah. But it's a task getting down the hill. Right. Listen guys, I'm gonna enjoy myself skiing down the mountain with Coco. Yeah. If you like the video, please press the like button. Yeah, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully now, because I've got the new editing software, I can start getting more videos out, more adventures. Okay, so it's all about the adventure, guys. It's all about the adventure. Stay safe, everybody. Look after yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video. Well, as you can tell from the car behind me, we got back to the van okay. It was quite interesting skiing down the mountain with Coco. Kept running in front of me, but eventually got down nice, safe and sound. Obviously, it's full lockdown coronavirus here. So I was up the mountain pretty early when there was nobody else around. But as you can see now, yeah, the slopes, the bottom end of the slopes are filling up with people, kids sledging and stuff like that. So it's time for me and Coco to get ourselves out of here. Take care everybody. Bye.